If you're looking for a portable power bank, do I have a solution for you? This is from Anker. It's their SOLIX C1000X. And in this review, I'm going to power this electric grill. I'm also outdoors with it going to power this blow dryer, which takes a lot of energy. And I even got this vintage Panasonic blender that I'm going to attach it to and test it out. Now, all three of these I'm going to test on their own. Will they work? Let's find out. So let's take a look at the SOLIX C1000X. The big thing that you'll notice is those 6 AC ports on the bottom. You're going to be able to power a wide variety of appliances. On the left here, you can see that's the AC input where you can charge it. I believe just about under an hour you can charge this device. Now, on the other side, there is this other unique port. If in the event that you want to connect 2 batteries together, you can actually stack them to have even more power. You can use that connection on the right over there. It also has USB-C connections, a carport adapter, and USB-A. So a lot of different charging options. And in this review, I'm going to try some standard appliances, try to simulate if I was going camping and I wanted to bring my electric grill, maybe cook some bacon outside, and at the same time, maybe I want to blow dry my hair because I was out at the lake. Or maybe you want to make a smoothie. And this one, I don't actually use this. I keep this, it's such a vintage piece of appliance, but it does work, so I'm going to try it out with the SOLIX C1000X. So first things first is I wanted to try each device individually just to make sure that it works. This can do just a little over 1,000 watt hours, and it has a maximum output of 1,800 watts. So I expected all 3 of these to work. The blow dryer, that one actually takes a lot. I think maybe like 1,200 to 1,300 watts max, but it was still working without issue. And then also that electric grill, I wanted to try that out. Oh, here I am trying both of them out at the same time. Not a problem. So it's still under 1,800. And then the electric grill. Now, if I try to put all 3 of them on, I think it will not work. But we're going to have to first let me try everything out right here. So 1, 2, 3. And guess what? Yes. It was over 1,800 watts. So that is your upper limits. But it's nice to just test it out to kind of get your sense of what you can power. Now I'm going to pull out the Anker 531 foldable solar panel. This one works with the C1000X, sorry. And it's pretty easy. You know, for one person, I was able to kind of get it up, you know, expand it, and then use the kickstands on the back to have it kind of in the right position. I'll show you that in the back how it looks, but one person is going to be able to set the angle, and you want to make sure that it's strategically set for the sun. Now I'm just going to go to the back side to show you that kickstand. I don't actually have it perfectly. You can see there's that wedge over there, and you pull that down to get different kind of angles with these foldable solar panel. So it's pretty easy to do. It's a little flimsy at first, but I think after a while you get used to it. You can see they got the handles on both sides for you to carry it without kind of issue. And then also there's the output. That's where you attach the cable from the solar panel to the portable power bank. And we'll do that. This one, it can do a max of 200 watts of power in optimal conditions. So that's the big kicker, is that you're going to need optimal conditions for it to work. Unfortunately, I was testing this in the middle of winter on a cloudy day. So, you know, it's just going to take forever for it to actually charge. What you really need is a dedicated sunlight to be able to get some type of DC input into the SOLIX C1000X. Here's the app. In the app, you can see there's that output. That's when I got some different devices in operation. You can kind of get a live look inside of the app. It also tells you what the remaining power is at that particular level of AC output. So very, very handy just to know, ensure that you don't run out of power. But one thing I have to say is, if you go to the top, see that DC input, 0 watts? That's the input that's coming from the solar panel right now. Now, they say that these solar panels work in cloudy conditions. Certainly it does, but look, I'm getting a 0 watt input. So you definitely need sun with these solar panels. But if you are in the market for a portable power bank, say if you're camping, you want to bring some appliances with you, this one is really, really good. I highly recommend it. It's from Anker. It's the SOLIX C1000X. You can find more information in the description below. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.